Hi, my name is Stefan Litzenberger. I'm from the University of Applied Sciences Technikum Wien, and I'm a program director of two study programs there, the Bachelor Human Factors and Sports Engineering and the Master Sports Technology. So that's work package 2, the joint learning activities, where we try to bring together industry, academia and students. We have several challenging activities where we kind of challenge the students to do some things, and most important of those are the industry collaboration experience, which is a kind of an extended summer school where where companies pose research questions and research topics, and mixed students groups from the universities work on these topics. Finally, they come together in a week of measuring. They have prepared the measurements beforehand, and finally they will get some results for the companies. So the second would be the innovation marketplace, where again companies set a challenge, a creative challenge for the students, and student groups from different universities work on these challenges. They come up with a creative solution. Additionally, they have workshops and support sessions to support their work, and in the end come up with a solution that is presented in a kind of marketplace, where they different companies and university staff and company staff will ask them questions, and they can discuss their findings and their ideas. And in the end, there's a judging, and one group is declared the winner of this challenge. Then third thing is we have the special topics week, which is actually 2 weeks of a joint learning at the TU Delft, where a special topic usually is done, for example, cycling aerodynamics, physiology, mechanics, whatever. And they have lectures, so about 30 students can take part. They have lectures there, and they have workshops. They work hands-on on different topics, and it's a learning experience for them. And the fourth is the sports engineering elective course at the TU Delft, where there's a small elective course and a challenge set by a company or a question set by a company is worked on during a semester. So in total, we had about 200 students involved in all those four activities over the course of the whole project. Yeah, I'll start with the more difficult ones. So one of the main difficulties is getting so many partners together and finding a date that suits everyone. We have seen that this is a problem, and might for future activities we might have to reduce the number, for example, and have maybe different sets for different groups, so everybody can really take part. But what we found out is that it is really helpful for students, academic staff and companies as well to get together and work on a problem, because suddenly everybody understands that every other one has maybe a little different approach to the same problem, and even maybe a little different goal. So a company would look for how to make a business out of an idea. The academics would kind of dive into that, or dive deeply into the problem and try to find a solution for that. And students try to earn some ECTS. And the wonderful thing is that although they might have different approaches and different goals, they work together closely, and they really are enthusiastic about it. So everybody, and that's the fine thing. So everybody can learn from each other, and when people collaborate with these different approaches and different points of views, it's a key for success in the end, and a key for a better result than if only one group would work. So the goal is to keep on with the activities, especially the first two I mentioned, so the industry collaboration experience in a kind of summer school, again extended summer school, so that companies can bring in some concrete research questions, and students and staff from different universities might work on that, and in the end come together in a summer school or a winter school, depending on the topic. Second is the innovation marketplace, where some design challenges and creative ideas that students might bring in the topics are posed by the companies, and it's also run as courses or even credit-bearing courses that students might be able to use in the curriculum instead of other courses. The Special Topics Week is still running at the TU Delft as it has done before, so this is quite going on, and people from the universities that took part will take part again. And the elective course at the TU Delft is also going to be held again when there is the possibility at the university.